So, we are talking to you from inside our car because I feel like I just said inside. Inside our car.
Inside our car.
Anyway. We are talking to you from inside our car because we just kind of needed a quiet place, and this was the quiet place. So
a
here we are.
quiet, dry place.
Yeah, that too. It is pretty wet outside. This week, we got two fairly cool things. So one is we got to Peggy's Cove, and the other one is...
we got a drone.
He's extra excited about it. I'm pretty excited about it. He's really excited about it.
It's true.
So Peggy's Cove, when we went, it actually took us a long time, and I feel like it's the place that everyone goes to, and everyone thinks about when they think about Nova Scotia. It's Peggy's Cove. And I think one of the reasons why it took us a while to get there was it is a little bit out of the way. Like, it's not overly close to Halifax.
It's not on the way to anything.
Yeah, it's not on the way to anything. Even when I looked at pictures of it, it was just, I thought, it's a lighthouse on a rock and there's some like cute houses and stuff. But lots of people talk about it. I'm sure it's cute. But we were never like, yeah, let's go to Peggy's Cove. It just wasn't a thing for us.
We thought it was overhyped, maybe.
Yeah, we just kind of had this impression that it was going to be like overhyped. Anyways, so we get there. And it is gorgeous. It is so gorgeous. And it is not overhyped. In fact, I would say, like, at least when I go to look online, it does not give the full picture. And it's probably because it's just too hard to get the full picture of it. Or maybe I just didn't see people.
Or maybe they don't have enough drones.
Yeah, I don't know. So we didn't have the drone when we went. So there's unfortunately no drone footage of Peggy's Cove. So we will be going back there for that because just the terrain is amazing. Going in, like the drive going into it is beautiful. Just getting there, the cute little town and all the stuff there. It's really, I could have spent, we didn't factor enough time in. Mm-hmm. We were only there for a couple hours, so we have to go back anyways, because honestly, I could spend an entire day there. The boys like climbing on the rocks or whatever, like on a dry day. On a dry day, you go and you can go on the rocks.
And don't climb on the black rocks.
Do not climb on the black rocks. It was great, and I highly do recommend it to anyone. The drive, just spending a day there, like the whole thing is amazing. One of the things that actually I thought the terrain reminded me a lot of Iceland, if we just took out some of the trees, because in Iceland they have pretty much no trees at all. The rest of the terrain, the way that like it kind of looks just outside of Peggy's Cove, where you just kind of see there's lots of just like rocks and stuff like that, it reminded me a lot of Iceland. Anyway, beautiful spot.
Absolutely. And I got a drone. I mean, we got a drone.
Yes.
We've taken it for a couple of test flights. We don't have the original test flight on video because we needed an SD card for that. Ahead, you're going to see the Walton Lighthouse. Shout out to Grayson and his van. So I was able to get the drone up and take some video of the surrounding area. You're
going to see kind of our drone footage. You're going to see Peggy's Cove.
The unboxing of the drone.
Yeah, that's true. The unboxing of the drone. And coming up, I don't know if it'll be next week necessarily, because we probably won't have time to edit it by then. We are hoping to go to Cape Breton next weekend, assuming the weather stays looking nice, which is certainly not guaranteed. But if it does look nice, we're going to Cape Breton, and I'm really excited because this is like the area of Nova Scotia I've been wanting to get to. So that's what we're doing next weekend. Looks kind of sunny. Hopefully it'll be good.
Hopefully.
And yeah.
Which leads me to the comments.
Yeah.
If you've been to Cape Breton or you've been thinking about going to Cape Breton and you have places that you would love to see that you think we should see, let us know in the comment section below with your favorite spots you'd love to see. We'll have a drone, so if there's spots that you've been to that you wish, I wish I would have seen a drone shot of that, now's a chance.
So comment below places that you want us to go to in Cape Breton.
Absolutely.
Cool. All right. Enjoy.
And until next time,
we'll see you every further mile.
Walk with me. Let's leave the past behind. Walk with me. There's something else we need to find. Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new, me and you. Blue is the sky, like the color of your eyes. Blue is your heart. It's been like that from the start. Say you'll stay till the morning light. I'll help you through the fight. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new, me and you. Walk with me. Let's leave the past behind. Walk with me. Down the road, there's sunshine and light. Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new, me and you.
She's my what? She's my what? What is she? She's my doodly do what? She's my